like you want me, and I guess in a way you do.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gretchen and today's video is an ultimate cleaning motivation video. So if you have some cleaning that you need to get done today, make your checklist, get up, get moving, and I hope that this video gives you the motivation that you need to get some stuff done today. Also, this is a collaboration with my best friend here on YouTube, Sherrell from Authentically Sherrell, and she is going to be giving you some cleaning motivation also on her channel, so I will link that in the description box below. Make sure when you're done watching this video to go check her out, especially if you're still cleaning and you want to keep that motivation going. She's got some awesome cleaning content on her channel and I just absolutely love her. So if you're going to her channel, let her know that I sent you. And if you're coming from Sherrell's channel, I just want to say welcome and I'm so happy that you're here. And I hope that you'll decide to stick around and become a part of my YouTube community. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So I started in the kitchen just because I like starting there since it's the hub of the household. Once it's clean, it gives me the momentum I need to get the rest of the house clean. This stovetop was so bad. Burnt stuff on there. It was just terrible. So I really needed to get a really good cleaning on that. So I used my stovetop cleaner and I did end up using the little razor blade on here for the stovetop just because I had a lot of burnt on stuff that I needed to get off. And if you're wondering what I'm spraying it with, it's just some Sprayway just to give it a final polish. I don't really know if I should be spraying that on there, but I did and I just wanted to give it a polish and it really helped.
Call me all night long, try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no, losing it on you's the last thing I if I'm honest, I'll just make you cry.
If you're new to my channel, please leave me a comment introducing yourself. I would love to get to know you. I love to see the people that are new on my channel. And if you're returning, leave me a smiley face emoji. Thank you for coming back. I am so thankful for you guys because you guys are the reason that my channel is growing and that it's here, and I just want to say thank you. If you saw my little dance move from a few moments ago, and I'm still bobbing my head and just like grooving, I'm actually listening to Sherrell's cleaning playlist. I wasn't watching it because I had the phone in my pocket, but I was listening to her music and I was listening to her talking, and she's always got the best music on her videos and she is so motivational. I love her. So normally I don't dry off my dishes by hand after I've washed them, but I was just really motivated to get this house clean and in order, so I wanted everything out of the way. I wanted a clean sink. I needed to give the sink a little bit of extra love, so I'm using my barkeeper's friend just to give it some extra cleaning and getting some water spots removed. I am always trying to keep my stainless steel appliances just polished and shiny, and that's not always easy because those things are always touched on a daily basis. But anyone else constantly, like weekly, keep their appliances polished, or do you do more like a monthly, or like, no Gretchen, we don't do that. You're crazy. So while I'm cleaning off this refrigerator, I thought it'd be fun to give you a little fun fact about myself. And if you know me, well, then you already know this. But if you don't, I am a big, huge Disney fan. So if I can go anywhere, it's going to be Disney World. Like my husband, he knows. I'm always picking Disney World for us to go. I know, such a kid thing, but I absolutely love it. So I just thought I'd share that little fun fact with you guys. Yes, that says June on the calendar, and it is July when I recorded this. It's actually already almost the end of July, so I definitely am not keeping up with this paper mess and the calendar during the summer. I think it's just the lack of the routine. I don't know, but I'm hoping now that it's almost back to school, it will get better. Another thing I needed to tackle on this day was this linen closet. Just a hot mess of towels and just linens apparently that I have just neglected. So I thought I'd take everything out and declutter and just reorganize. I do have to buy some new towels this year, so I purged a lot of stuff so that I can make some space for new ones.
No, I don't need a degree to know this ain't love at first sight.
I also like to keep our beach essentials down in this basket, so I just wanted to go through that and organize it. I don't know why I've always kept them here, but it's just been convenient. Probably because when I come in here, I can just grab the beach towels and then grab the stuff that I need from here. So sunscreen, life floats, everything usually I keep there.
It's been so long since I got so close to someone. I know this ain't love, but let me stay a while.
So this is what it looks like now after decluttering. I just left a few towels and a few things. Most of the stuff, this pile right here, I had not touched in years, and it was just sitting there, things that I hadn't touched. So I'm glad I went through it. It was actually the last thing on my declutter list before I get to the garage, and I'm dreading that. So who else does not like cleaning the garage? Because I have been putting it off for 2 years now. Then I went ahead and went into my master bathroom just to do a little quick cleanup. I had cleaned this over the weekend, so it wasn't really bad. I just needed to wipe down the sink and the toilet and stuff, and that was it in here. The last thing that I actually did on this day was mop the floor, and I didn't record that because our electricity kept going in and out, and it was already starting to get a little bit dark. And because it was raining, it was even more dark, and so the lights were going in and out, so I stopped recording. This was the last thing that you'll see me clean. I really hope that you guys found this video motivating and that it inspires you to get up and tackle your to-do list today. And don't forget to check out Sherrell's video in the description box below and go check her out, show her some love, and let her know that I sent you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you know when I post my next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care and God bless, guys. Bye. I'm so happy,